So we'll do the setup of how to combine and separate the two ballrooms. Right now we're combined, so we're going to separate, and then I'll show you the large side. So let me turn this. It's separated, and then I push it, the star goes out. We're now separated. Now I will say, on occasion, again, a rare situation is that even though it says separation, it doesn't separate or it doesn't combine. And what you have to do then is go around back and just unplug. There's a power strip like along this edge on the back. Just unplug everything for about 5 seconds and plug it back up, and that will reset it. I've like I said again, I've only had that happen maybe 2 or 3 times in 15 years. So now we're separated. So you've got 4 buttons here. Push the top one. It's your tuner, the radio. You can turn this, you get CD player. Then with the star, it's not actually on there, you got to push it. Turn it back to tuner. Set we've got down here too. Same thing. When it's got a star, that's not actually what it is. So hardly ever we've never used these during events since all the digital came out. So your tuner and your program level is all going to be depending on the master. So if you can envision in your mind, the master is going to be like the main faucet of water, separated out, and then you've got mic 1, 2, 3, you got the tuner and whatever. Those will only go as high as what the master's setting. What we've normally done is we'll just set the master just a little bit past 12, maybe 1 o'clock, just as a starting point. And so if the radio to work, I can turn it on. So select the tuner, and then this is a volume for whatever's here. The volume for the CD, CD or cassette, or radio, or that's muted. So then the second one, the first one's the top line. Second line is the A, mic A1, A2, A3, and the A's are going to be on the large side. So I can go ahead and do the same thing with those. They're muted to start. Just set them at about 12 o'clock. And those will only go, I'd say if you pull the master all the way back, and even though these show this, there's nothing getting to them. You have to have your master. So if you've got your volume up on each mic, each channel, and it says mic, but that's actually just a XLR plug in the wall that you can plug in computer, phone, where you're playing music out of that. Go look at the mic A1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'll show you those.